AYUB Carpet Service is there when you need. This rug was brought to us after a house fire. Our expert technicians took extra care to clean and restore it, beginning by hand scrubbing the fringe. Next, they applied our gentle cleaning solution, washing the rug both front and back, even completing the process twice. Our wringer was then used to rinse off the rug and gently squeeze out any excess moisture. For extra measure, our techs spot-checked and gently hand-brushed areas where the fibers were compromised, helping to restore it before washing one last time. Finally, the rug was rinsed and spun out in our centrifuge, ensuring it was ready for the drying room. Our team was thrilled to see the results and could hardly believe this was the same rug. In the unlikely event that something unexpected happens to you, don't despair. Trust AYUB to restore your cherished items and make them look like new again.